Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
MotionMuse review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called MotionMuse. So this is the MotionMuse review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the so-called demo video which is for around 2 minutes long. Okay, in this 2 minutes they are talking but not making any sense to me. Okay, so I'll play the video and let's watch it, and you will not see this screen changing. So it shows this black video on the dashboard. This will not change for next 2 minutes, so I'm not sure what are we supposed to understand with this video, with the so-called demo video. Okay, so pay attention, and I'm here. I'll speak if necessary. So God knows what they're trying to do here. Yeah, we got dashboard, we got campaigns, but nobody's showing you what to do. And I can see not secure on the top left though. I didn't want to, yeah, this video, this MotionMuse was not worth my time, but I came and started recording this video because I saw some scammers were pushing this through, and let's see what I can do. So as I said, nobody is showing here what they're doing. It is called a demo video and the screen has not changed. What is demo about this? What are we doing here? How do we create the video? How do we create the campaign? Who will show us? I didn't see anything in the demo video. We are almost towards the end, and as I said in the beginning, this screen will not change. They are still on the same screen. How would you understand? How would you know what you're buying? Man, this is called demo video? Holy moly. I hope that you have understood everything with this demo video, so-called. Let's get back. Let's get started. Are we done? So the screen did not change. You see, we watched the video, nothing changed. Let's get back to the sales page. Before we talk about the sales page, let me show you this product is being supported by some scammers. So you go to the contest here, click on phase 1, and these are those scammers who are pushing this product. Now these are those people, they have an email list. Okay, so thousands of people are into their email list, and they are sending this MotionMuse and they are selling the product, right? That's why I have to come and record the video. If nobody was selling it, I would just let it go. Okay, so this thing is not even worth my time, but anyways, starting with the sales page says, so what if you can click one button and unleash ungodly? You don't use and you use and with AIOU only. Rest of the words you use A. So what if you can click one button and unleash a godly amount of bias traffic, not ungodly? It's wrong grammar to start with. World's first AI powered app that research, create, optimize and monetize short videos automatically from just one keyword. So this is something about creating YouTube shorts, I guess, resulting in this much daily profit for us. I'm scratching my head right now, actually. If somebody's making this much daily, then why are they selling this to you in $17? My review is done. Are we done? Probably. So it's self-explanatory. Leverage TikTok, IG, this and that. I'm not literally in the mood. Let me get done with this, okay? So we are done with the sales page. And as I said, I was not in the mood of making this video. This MotionMuse was not my standard, but this is a picture I like. I like this picture. Which movie is that? Oh, I might have to go and watch some space movie now after this. Anyways, so let's get to the bottom to see if we have some questions, and after that I will tell you how do you make real money, because if I'm making the video, then my job is also to tell you how to make the real money without this bullshit. Okay, so are we at the bottom or not yet? 30-day money back guarantee, these mother son. Where are the questions? Right here. Do I need experience? You do not need an experience for losing money online, you idiots. Is there any monthly cost? No, there's no monthly cost, except they're gonna you will end up paying 997 per month. This shit really works, man. In your world, you're in America, the UK, the Europe, the Canada, the Australia. White people, idiots. You really believe on such things that you don't buy right now, you will end up paying 997 next month. Or per month. Sorry, per month. You believe on this shit, okay? And that's why you go and buy. How long does it take to make money? Honey, where's my credit card? Let's lose some money. I feel like, do I need to purchase anything else? No. Oh, no. What if I failed? You're a loser already. You are a loser already if you were thinking about buying this. How can I get started? Click this button here. Loser money morons. If you buy this, then only. Otherwise. Okay, so that's it. This is some kind of software, and they're not even showing how to use the software in their so-called demo video. Okay. Second thing is, this is launching on this website called Varia Plus. Do not buy any software from Varia Plus. Okay. Third thing, these scammers are pushing this product. That's the reason I had to push myself to come and record this video. Otherwise, this was not into my timetable. This was not into my list to record the video for this, right? So I saw somebody was scamming you today. I had to raise my hands. Nobody asked me to come and do this, but I'm doing it as long as I'm doing it, because you can't do what I do. You will never be able to do what I do. It takes guts, time, expertise, plus willingness, whatever. You don't have it. You want to make money online? Go below my video. You will find 2 links. Before that, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. It's all free. If you want to support and contribute, click on Super Thanks, which you will obviously not do it. I know you people. You people go and get scammed. You people can't support somebody genuine. That's why your own middle finger, your own assets. I don't need your money. I don't make money because of you. So that's why I don't need to please anybody. Okay? Are we clear? We are. Make money on autopilot with forex trading. This forex trading is going to make money on autopilot, because if you see this graph here, we will be setting up the virtual machine, then we will be setting up the graph, then we will be setting up the software on this graph. That software will be doing the trading. Okay? We don't do this manually. That software, everything will be happening automatically. If you want to know the details, click on the first link, come on this page here, enter your email address, enter your name, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch the videos there to understand what this is all about, because this is going to work on profit sharing basis. So you will be making or keeping 70% profits. I will be keeping 30% profits, and you will not have to do anything. I will be managing all this for you. I will be setting up the machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be setting up the software, the settings and everything, whatever has to be done. I'll do it. You will simply just make 70% profits every week. That's all. Okay. To know everything in detail, enter your information here, then go and watch those 2 videos which I'm talking about. Second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now, in case you want to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, whether you buy something from me or not, I have made some money because my YouTube channel is monetized. And when you watch these ads in my YouTube video, I make some money. Okay. For this to happen, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you will get them in 2 weeks only. And that's how you can monetize your channel within a month maximum. And then you can go and learn how to make these reviews, how to do affiliate marketing, and a lot of more stuff about YouTube inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. The difference between the first option and the second is that in first option, forex trading, you don't have to do anything. Money will be made on autopilot. In second option, Traffic Jarvis, you will have to work a lot, make YouTube videos manually every single day, as many you can, right? So go and choose, pick up and choose. MotionMuse, thumbs down, don't buy, tada bye bye. I don't want to waste my breath and energy anymore on this. Okay. So demo video is garbage. You have seen it. They have not even changed the screen. They have not even clicked on any of these options. That is what the demo video was, right? Anyway, so thumbs down, don't buy. If you want to make money online, check out these links, help yourself, and choose whatever you want to do. These methods will make you money with a guarantee, especially the first and the second one. And then subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. In the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out if you want to make money without selling anything. for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.